Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I received a box full of Lancôme goodies. They have just launched their online website here in Malaysia and they sent me a box of goodies in celebration. I thought since it's online, since you're going to be able to buy some brand new Lancôme products without actually going to store, let's do the unboxing on camera, let you know what Lancôme has to offer, and you know, maybe you could get something. You never know. You might find something interesting. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, so I received this box right here. As you can see, I've already opened it up. I just wanted to kind of get an idea of what products I was going to be showing you guys. And look them up so I could tell you what these products are about, what they're good for, whether or not you should buy them. Okay, so first product I received, I'm already kind of familiar with this one. This is the Lancôme Miracle Secret. Obviously you can tell it's a perfume. I love Lancôme Miracle, the original scent. This one is more citrusy and it's not that kind of really sharp, bitter citrus scent. It's slightly sweeter and it smells actually really good. I'm not a fan of hugely sweet smells. I think you probably already know that by now. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know. I love this one though. It's not too sweet and still has that kind of undertone of the Lancôme Miracle. I really like it. It's super cute. Moving on. I also got the Lancôme Advanced Genefique Youth Activating Concentrate. This one I have tried before, I have loved it. It's a really good serum to kind of add into your foundation to add that kind of shine, the sheen that makes you look, I don't know, a lot more radiant and luminous. This also guarantees more radiant skin in 7 days. I don't know about 7 days, but I do use this and I do love it, and it's really great for anti-aging, which is why I use it. So, next. The Lancôme Advanced Genefique Light Pearl Eye Illuminator. This one is for your eyes, obviously, as the name suggests. It helps to firm up your eye contour area. All these are anti-aging products, that's why they're going to be focused on firming and radiance. And it's got this massage applicator, which has got this really nice cooling effect, and basically you use that applicator to kind of massage the product into your skin. There are YouTube videos on how you're meant to do that. I'm going to link them in the description box below, just so in case you buy the product, you know how to use it. Ooh, a lipstick. This is the Le Absolute Rouge Drama Matte. I probably butchered that name. And I got the color 274 Sensualite. This is actually a really beautiful rose color. I'm gonna try and apply it to the outer corners of my lips. Get a nice gradient going. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, moving on. Oh, now this I am really excited about. This is the Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. I am a huge fan of Lancôme foundations. I received one a little while ago and unfortunately it wasn't my color, but when I tried it on, the finish that it gave me was so perfected. I loved it so much. And this one right here is a long wear foundation. It claims to last for 24 hours. It claims to be transfer proof, which is something that I want to test because I always have this thing where I watch TV and I watch the actors kind of hug the male characters and I'm like, how does the makeup not transfer onto their clothes? Like, even if they're wearing white, for some reason the makeup doesn't transfer. I don't know, maybe they were using this. I'm gonna try it out and hug Jace and see how it goes. And that is pretty much what I received. I just wanted to share it with you guys, you know, because it's really exciting when a new brand launches online. I love shopping online. And as always with new brand launches, you're going to be able to get some discounts. This one gives you free shipping with every 250 ringgit purchase. And you're also going to get some Lancôme gifts. You get 3 pieces when you purchase 250 ringgit. 4 pieces for 300 ringgit and 6 pieces for 350 ringgit. You just need to enter the promo code LANCOMEBEST. I'll link it right here. And that is pretty much it for this unboxing video. Thank you guys so much for following me along and checking out the new Lancôme products. I am so excited for that foundation. You have no idea. Gonna try it out. If you want a review, let me know. If you want to find out a little bit more about these products that I have mentioned in this video, then please let me know as well. I am happy to give you a review if you want. I am happy to answer any questions if you need. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye!